it's Stephanie with the For Sure family. I am here to do another video. In this video, I'm going to be making Mexican corn salad. It's very delicious and it's quick and easy. Before I start my video, I just want to tell you a little thing, some things that the For Sure family is doing. We are now on teesprings.com making merchandise. This is one of the creations that I made. Of course, we have the signature frog, and then on the back it has family first for sure. You always hear us saying family first, or you'll hear us saying for sure, of course, but be sure to check that out. Also, to our subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to support us. I always like to start my videos with thanking our subscribers with their support. Because of their support, we have been able to reach 10,000 and we are steadily increasing. So can't say thank you enough. We love what we do, and we just thank you for continuing to watch the videos that we love to share with you. So if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to hit that bell for notifications, hit the subscribe button, and like and share. So let's get into this video. All right, guys, I'm back. So these are the ingredients that you're gonna need to make Mexican corn salad. You need your corn, of course. You have your cilantro, green onions, red onions, Parmesan, mayo, juice from a lime, butter, salt and pepper, sour cream, and jalapeños. There'll be some extra. I'll add some feta cheese to the end of it, but that's a choice. It's not something that you have to do, but those are the ingredients for the most part. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut our corn. I am ready to cut my corn, and I just have my knife, and of course all you need to do is just cut going down. And you wanna cut pretty close. You get all of it. I don't know if I need a different knife. Honestly, I've never done this before, so this is first time. And they're coming off pretty good. Oh, you know what? It's the technique. Down one. That's pretty clean to me. I think I might do two more, because this is not gonna, doesn't look like it's gonna, I mean, it looks like a fairly good amount, but I want some more. I want to be able to share. No, this is for the family. All right, guys, I'm getting my butter melted. The ingredients call for garlic butter. I do not have garlic butter, so what I'm gonna do is once the butter is melted, I'm just gonna add a little garlic to the corn along with the salt and pepper. And my butter is starting to melt. We just want it to melt a little bit more. There we have it. I'm gonna add the corn. That was a total of 8 cobs. Then you want to add your salt and pepper. And like I said, a little bit of garlic. And we're gonna have kernels popping everywhere. We're gonna let this cook. I would stir it around to get that salt and pepper. And I did not add a lot of salt and pepper. It was actually just like a teaspoon of both. And then sprinkled a little garlic. With the vegetables that you're gonna put in here, the jalapeños, the onions and green onions, trust me, it's going to be a lot of flavor. So I'm just gonna let this simmer and cook. And then we're gonna come and we're gonna add all those ingredients. The corn has been cooking for approximately 10 minutes. So it's still pretty golden yellow. I want it to get a little bit more darker, but it looks and it smells amazing. I just wanted to show you just how it was looking, but I can see where some of the kernels are starting to turn brown, and that's a good thing. So I'm going to continue to let it cook, but I just wanted you just to get a picture of what it looks like midway. But those kernels look really good, and it smells good. That butter and that garlic is just coming off of that corn really good. So I think the corn is about ready to come off. It's nice and pretty and golden brown. It has some hints of some darker brown kernel in there. I just wanted you to get a really good look at that. Ooh, yes. Look how good that looks, and it smells so good. I almost am tempted to leave it as is, but no, the video must go on. But I just wanted you to see the look that I was going for, what I wanted my corn to look like before I pulled it off the stove. Corn's finished, and we're ready to put it in the pot. So, it's really hot. You see all that steam coming off of it? I'll put this away. And then now, we're gonna add our things. We're gonna add green onions. Red onions, and add a little bit more green onions. And these are all pinchful. Don't go get overwhelmed of exactly how much. Only thing I would tell you to take it easy on is the jalapeños. Juice of the lime, Parmesan. I like all of the Parmesan, I will say that. And then we have our sour cream, approximately 1/4 of a cup, mayo, and then we will stir. And it smells amazing. Oh yes. Peppers and onions smell amazing. Exactly the consistency that I want. I'm gonna move this to another dish and add my fettuccine. Excuse me, add my feta cheese, and I'm gonna show you the results. I just changed bowls because it was getting kind of messy, and I'm adding a little bit of feta just on the top, maybe a lot. And there you have it. Mexican corn salad.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya!